Hello and welcome to my channel, a channel where we make structural engineering design simple and easy. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who has been sending encouraging words to me, and also they have subscribed. We want to say thank you very much. But if you are yet to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share the videos so that more people can gain from it. We have a message or a comment from Olubanji from from Olubanji. You said thank you for this video. Thank you for this video. I really appreciate you, Olubanji. We want to say thank you to everyone who subscribe, and those who have been sending encouraging words. And there are something we'll be doing very soon. Is on the pipeline. We'll be having a community of our super subscribers, a community of our super subscribers, where we will have more one-on-one engagements. One-on-one engagement will be doing um, um, a lot of things together. Please just stay tuned to this platform. Hopefully before this week runs out, we will come out with more of the new package for our super subscribers. We have more the super subscribers, those who has really been with us, and those who have been subscribing and doing a lot with us. We have more in stock for you. Just keep tuned. Before the week runs out, every one of them will come out. We'll push it out. Now we have more engagement with our super subscribers, more for you, and we'll have more time together. And we have a question from one of our subscribers. He said, "Hello teacher, I am Ogunla Bernard from Kenya." He said, "Thank you for the tutorial. You made me learn what I didn't know before. Teacher, I am a structural engineer, but the only thing I don't know is how to produce calculation sheets after design. Please help me with one of your sample design calculation, not PDF, but CAD file, please." Ogunla, if I understand you, you asked AutoCAD file. If it's the AutoCAD file, please check our previous videos. I think there's a link to one of those sample of those CAD file that I've done. Please check our videos where we put it up. So what I'll do, maybe at our description, I can, okay, maybe our description I will just put in that video to the link to that file, so that you, if you click on a bio, you just see the links there and you can gain access to it. So but today will be, if you check our previous video, we've done something about this calculation sheet. We've done something about this calculation sheet. So but we'll just talk a bit, but we'll not spend much time. Also go back to our calculation video where we really give detailed explanation on our calculation sheet. So after you've done your work, after you finish your design, you come to concrete design. If it's for the column, you click on the column, and this will pop. All these things that is checked good is what the computer will print. But if you don't want all of them to be printed, you just mark remove. So let's assume we just need some few of them. You manually check the ones want. You manually check the ones you want. No, on this, you manually check the ones you want. After you've checked the numbers of the ones you want to print, come to design reports. Design report. Click on design reports. It will pop here. If you want to include the section, you click whatever you want. Include interactive design in report, whatever you want. Just check them here, and you say okay. Give it some time for it to run. It will run. It will run. It will run. So just give it some time to check. It will run. Just give it some time. Let it run. So okay, if you look at it, it has produced your calculation sheet for the column. So what you do is you click either if you want the PDF or the Word. So either of them you click. If you click PDF, but most time I use PDF. Most time I use PDF. So I come to desktop. I will now say maybe column or column card, maybe. And once you click save, it automatically saves there. Go back to you're done with this. You do same for your beams. Come back to concrete design. If it's this same process, everything is the same. All this, remove this. If you remove all these that are showing red, make sure you double click, and any issue there has been resolved. All issues have been resolved before you move to the next one. But all these should be what you finished before now. All these should be what you finished before now. So, but this is what you should have done before this time. So good. All of them should have been done. All. Just make sure that there's no red mark. Make sure every one of them you have done. All of them. Make sure that there's no left. Yeah. Okay. Please check that you've solved all the problem. You've taken care of all the problem before. Okay, we can edit. Let's assume so make sure everything is done. Let's make sure before make sure everything is done. We can come here and change this. Just it takes some time, but just make sure every one of them has been taken care of. Should make sure, just make sure every one of them so with this now we've made sure that all of them are checked good. Then the ones, if you are printing, you still check the ones you want to print. Same principle, just check everything you check means you want it to work on it. So if we now say, if we say reports, design reports, and you click OK, same principle, it will take time for it to go through to do that. It will take some time, so you give it some time for it to work. Okay, you see it has produced the same principle. Go to PDF, where you want it to be, change the name so that you don't forget, and that is for the bin. You've done that, you can close. Now we've done for our column, we've done for our bin. Next is slab. The slab design, go to this, go to slab analysis and design. You check all stories, and before now, okay, before you can do that, go to strip, take your strip sections, and take your strip sections, let's take your sections. Before you can report or do the calculation sheet for the slab, you have to do this first. After you've done this, okay, after the everything, you can go to concrete slab. You say check for all, you say design. So give it some time, it will run the design, and you will have to be a bit. So if you see it has done it, same process, you say PDF and save. Now we've done for a slab, we've done for the bin, we've done for a column. So the next thing we need to do is for the footing, but presently we've not designed for a footing. We've not designed for. So what do? You have to design for the foundation. So we will just do a typical foundation design. Please check our previous videos. That is where you will see all the designs in detail. So you come and right click, add base, you say okay, let's come, okay, right click, add base, depending, we'll just do a very quick one. we say okay. Okay, now we have that. Now. Okay, what you do is just to click on this footing, right click, and you come to print pad and base results. Once you click that, it will give you some time for it to produce the calculation sheet. Okay, if you see you've done the footing same process, click and you drop it there, and that is how you do your calculation sheet. When you collate and print, you can either uh, merge all together before printing, or you print them separately. So whatever way you think best suits you, please do that. And this is how you you do your calculation sheet. So if there's any other question, please feel free and tell us if there's anything you want further explanation on. But this is how you do your calculation sheet. This is how you do your calculation sheet. So we'll be stopping here now, and if you are yet to subscribe, please go click that subscribe button, go click that like button, so that you will get it immediately we post. Thank you. Remain blessed. Bye.